You enjoy having a clean house, but you cannot stand inhaling all these toxic fumes from cleaning products. You know it's not good for you as you are a very health conscious woman, but at the same time, you know you need to clean the house. What if I showed you how you can clean your house in a non-toxic way and actually you can get even benefits out of it? Hi, my name is Eva Shevtsova and I'm a holistic health and business mentor. I help ambitious businesswomen just like you to create healthy lifestyle for your family and create extra stream of income for yourself. Did you know an average woman puts on her body about 168 chemicals every single day? Let's talk about few of them. Body wash, body lotion, shampoo, conditioner, mascara, foundation, nail polish, and so much more. And I'm talking only about what we put on our skin. But what about our environment or household? I know we cannot take control of our environment, but we definitely can take control of our household. What kind of laundry detergent we are using, cleaning supplies, and much more. Before I was using non-toxic products, I was experiencing dizziness, nausea, and discomfort. Well, for last 10 years, I've been using non-toxic products, and I have to say that it's not only my house is clean, but as well I'm not experiencing sinuses and skin irritation. I bet you already have some of the products in your kitchen, but you didn't even know you can clean with them, like vinegar, baking soda, and citric acid. I use as well essential oils like lemon, lemongrass, and tea tree oil. Let me give you an example how I clean my windows. I have this kind of spritzer bottle and I put half vinegar and distilled water and 20 drops of lemon essential oil. Who doesn't like citrus oils? Lemon is responsible for streaks on the windows and as well anything sticky. Now on emotional level, this is oil of focus. So you will be focused on your task. And as well, any citrus oil is great for our emotions, uplifting our emotions. So as you see, not only your windows will be clean, but as well you will feel good while you are doing it. Now, if you like this kind of tip, I want to share with you that I will be running 7 days program, spring cleaning with non-toxic products. And what you will learn is how to clean your bathroom in a natural way, laundry room, living room, and even your car. So if you would like to join us, click on the link below and put in the message natural cleaning. I'm looking forward to see you in the program.